Yeah, good morning, everyone. Inside Professor Ritu Ranjan Sinha again, Professor Information and Communication Technology, promoter global innovation, peace and sustainable development, promoter global innovation, peace, prosperity and sustainable development, promoter United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda 2030, Uganda Development Agenda 2040, African Union Development Agenda 2063, and India Growth Index India at 75. In the series of bilateral relationship promotions, series India bilateral relationship promotion series. Today, I came with the various bilateral promotional mechanisms adopted by the India with the United States of America. So today we are discussing about the India-US bilateral relationship. So shared democratic values and growing convergence on the bilateral, regional and global issue have provided a strong base for the India-United States relation, which has now evolved into a strategic partnership with a global significance. The relationship enjoy strong bipartisan and popular support in both countries. So high level visit, mutual visit at the leadership level have been an integral element of the engagement between India and United States. The outcome generated by these visits have been instrumental in further strengthening and developing the multi-faceted ties between these two countries. Visit by the Prime Minister Modi. Since assuming office in May 2014, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has visited the US on 6 occasions. Three such visits in September 2014, September 2015, and September 2019. Future participant in the high-level segment of the UN General Assembly, along with the bilateral engagement in the United States. In March-April 2016, PM visited the US for participant in the 4th Nuclear Security Summit and also had a bilateral meeting with the President of the United States, Barack H. Obama, that is the President Obama. The two remaining visits by PM to US were exclusively bilateral in the character in June 2016 and June 2017. PM visit to Washington DC in June 2017 was the first opportunity for PM and President of the United States, Donald J. Trump, President Trump, to meet and exchange views. A number of important outcomes emerged from this visit is areas such as defense, security, and strategic cooperation, energy, and countering terrorism. Visit by Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu visited US in September 2018. Visit by President Obama visited India in January 2015 and participated in the 66th Republic Day celebration as a chief guest. High-level bilateral meeting on the margin of the multilateral events. Apart from this video, there have been a number of bilateral engagement at the leadership level on the margin of multilateral event in other countries. These include bilateral meeting between PM and President Trump at Manila, 13 November 2017, Osaka, 28 June 2019, and Britas, 26 August 2019. PM also met Vice President of the United States, Michael R. Pence, on 4th November 2018 on the margin of East Asia Summit in Singapore. Other engagement between PM and President Trump. And in addition to above, both leaders met during the Howdy Modi event in Houston on 20 September 2019. And for the two leader level trilateral meeting India, US, Japan that took place on the margin of the G20 summit in various areas, November 2018, Osaka, June 2019. In 2019-20, PM had a number of telephonic conversations with the President Trump, including to extend New Year greetings to January 2019 and 20, following PM electoral victory in May 2019, and to discuss certain bilateral and regional issues in August 2019. High-level dialogue mechanism. India and US have more than 15 bilateral inter-government dialogue mechanisms for the exchange of view on the issue of mutual interest. A number of such dialogue mechanisms are held at the multi-ministerial level, including US, India-US 2+2 ministerial dialogue, India-US 2 plus 2 minister dialogue is led by the head of Foreign and Defense Minister of India and US. Two rounds of this dialogue have been held on so far in September 2018 and December 2019. India-US commercial dialogues. The India-US commercial dialogues is led by Ministry of Commerce and Industry and the US Secretary of Commerce. This was held in Delhi in February 2019. India-US Economic and Financial Partnership. India-US Economic and Financial Partnership led by the Finance Minister and US Secretary of the Treasury. This was last held in Delhi in November 2019. India-US Trade Policy Forum. India-US Trade Policy Forum is led by CIM and US. Trade Representative USTR. This was the last held in Washington DC in October 2017. India-US Strategic Energy Partnership. The India-US Strategic Energy Partnership led by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and the US Secretary of Energy. This was last held in Delhi in April 2018. India-US Homeland Security Dialogues. The India-US Homeland Security Dialogue is led by Minister of Home Affairs and Secretary US Department of Homeland Security. This was last held in Washington DC in May 2013. Other significant engagement in 2019, apart from the interaction through established dialogue mechanism in various areas, certain other prominent engagement 29, including the following: visit from US side. The United States Secretary of Commerce Wilbur Ross visited India in May 2019 for participant in the business forum titled Trade Winds Indo-Pacific Forum and Mission. Secretary Ross visited India again in October 2019 for the World Economic Forum India Economic Summit. He had bilateral engagement with the India interlocutors during both these visits. Secretary of the State Michael R. Pempo, Secretary Pempo was the first cabinet level officer from the US government to visit India in June 2019. After the inauguration of our new government, he met the External Affairs Ministers, EAM, National Security Advisor, and called on PM during his visit. EAM met Secretary Pempo again on the margin of ASEAN Regional Forum in Bangkok on the 2nd August 2019. US Deputy Secretary of the State, John Sobelian, a 5-member congressional delegation, and other senior US officials took part in the India-US Forum held in New Delhi in August 2019. The governor of US state of Indiana, New Jersey, Quadrano and Alcantara led business delegation in India in 2019. Visit from India, EM visited the US in September and October 2019. Apart from the meeting with the Secretary Pempo, US Secretary of the Defense, Dr. Mark Fisher, US National Security Advisor Robert C. Byrne, and Acting Secretary of Department of Homeland Security Avian had a number of other engagements, including interaction with the prominent US think tank during this visit. CM visited US in September and November 2019 and met the US counterparts. Apart from the participant in 2+2 dialogues, Raksha Mantri visited to the US in December 2019, including other bilateral engagements such as meeting with the Indian community in New York, a visit to a naval station in Anofred, and bilateral meeting with the Secretary of Spam. Also held a bilateral meeting with the Secretary Spare on the sidelines of ASEAN Defense Minister meeting up in Bangkok in November 2019. EM visited the US for the 2+2 dialogue in the December 2019 and has separate bilateral meeting with the Secretary Pempo and NASA O'Brien. EM also met the leadership of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee. During the visit of the US in December 2019 for the 2+2 dialogue, EM and RM had a joint call on President Trump on 18 December 29. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Meghalaya and Tamil Nadu visited US in 2019. The highlight of bilateral engagement between India and the US have been summarized like that in the parts of defense. Defense relations has emerged as a major pillar of the India-US strategic partner with intensification in defense trade, joint exercise, personal exchange, and cooperation in maritime security and counter-piracy. India conducts more bilateral exchange with the US than with any other country. Some important bilateral exercises are Yudhabas, Bridge Prahar, Tarkas, Tiger Trump, and Cope India. Aggregate worth of defense-related acquisition from the US is more than 15 billion USD. The India-US Defense Technology and Trade Initiative is aimed at promoting co-development and co-production efforts. In June 2016, the US recognized India as a major defense partner, which commit the US to facilitate technology sharing between India to a level commensurate with that of the close allies and partners. The announcement of India elevation to Tier 1 of the Static Trade Authorization License exception will further contribute toward facilitating interaction in advanced and sensitive technology. A number of significant outcomes in the area of defense cooperation were achieved during the India-US 2+2 minister dialogue held in September 2018 and December 2019. Apart from 2+2 minister dialogues, some other important dialogue mechanisms on defense cooperation are Defense Policy Group, Military Cooperation Group, Defense Technology, Trade Initiative, and its Joint Working Group, Executive Steering Group for Army, Navy, and Air Force, Defense Procurement and Production Group, Senior Technology Security Group, and Joint Technical Groups. Counter-terrorism and internal security is also one of the very areas and basic bonding relation with the India and US relationship. Cooperation on counter-terrorism has been considered progress with the enhanced intelligence sharing, information exchange, and operational cooperation. The bilateral joint working group on counter-terrorism is the important mechanism in this area. At last met in the Washington in March 2019, 16 meetings. Both sides have also been working together in law enforcement and security cooperation to the sixth subgroup under the SSG. The senior officer meeting of the SSG between Ministry of Home Affairs and Department of Homeland Security was held in July 2018. Both sides have also initiated a designation dialogue to discuss designation of terrorism identity. Apart from the above, both sides also cooperate with each other on counter-terrorism and security in various multilateral bodies. Cybersecurity cooperation between India and US is carried out under the India-US Cyber Framework signed on September 26. The two important dialogue mechanisms in this domain are India-US Cybersecurity Dialogue, last held in Delhi in September 2019, and India-US Joint Working Group on ICT, last held in October 2019. Trade and economy. The US is India's largest trading partner, goods and service combined. Bilateral trade with goods and service grow more than 10% annual over the past 2 years to reach 142 billion in 2018 USD. Two-way merchandise trade stood in around 87 billion USD. On this, India goods export to the US were valued of 54 billion USD, and India goods import from the US were valued 33 billion USD. The India-US trade in service stood of 54.5 billion USD. Of this, India service export to the US were valued of 28.7 billion USD, and India import of the service from the US were valued to 25.8 billion USD. US direct investment in India are estimated about 44.5 billion USD. Where FDI in US is estimated 18 billion USD as per the CII survey. In the parts of energy, the US has emerged as a key partner in India for the field of energy. The bilateral strategic energy partnership launched in April 2018 between the two countries is robust and businessly increasing diversification across both conventional and renewable energy sources. And India-US Natural Gas Task Force was also created in 2018. India has started importing crude and LNG from the US from 2017 and 18 respectively. That the total value of crude and LNG import from the US is currently estimated at 6.7 billion USD. In February 2019, the Indian Oil Corporation finalized term contract for import for crude oil of US origin. These are the first term contracts finalized by any Indian PSC for the import of US origin crude oil grades. Civil Nuclear Cooperation. The bilateral Civil Nuclear Cooperation Agreement was signed in October 2008. India and the US have a civil nuclear energy working group on research and development activity, which has met 10 times as ongoing project under research and development collaboration, which are reviewed by the working group. A US company, West Greenhouse, is the discussion with the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, for implementing a project that engages a 6AP-1000 reactor at the Kavoda. Once implemented, the project would be among the largest of its kind. Science and technology and space. The multifaceted cooperation between India and the US in the field of science and technology has been growing rapidly under the framework of India-US Science and Technology Cooperation Agreement signed on October 2005, which was renewed for the period of 10 years in September 2019. The Indo-US Science and Technology Forum, IUSSTF, which was established by the India and US as an autonomous bilateral organization in the year 2000 to promote cooperation in science, technology, and innovation, is playing an important role to strengthen cooperation in this field. Both countries also have a long history of cooperation in civil space arena that include cooperation in Earth observation, satellite navigation, and space science exploration. The India-US Joint Working Group on Civil Space Cooperation regularly review the state of cooperation and identify new area for furthering space cooperation. The seventh meeting of this group was held in Bangalore in November 2019. ISRO and NASA are also working towards intensify cooperation in Mars exploration, heliophysics, and human space flight through the relevant working group between both sides. As per the Indian diaspora concerned, the number of Indian and Indian American in the US is estimated around 4 million, which account almost 1% of total US population. It includes large number of professional entrepreneurs and educationalists with the considerable and increasing influence in US politely, economy, and society. They are big stakeholders in India-US relationship and significant contribute to the growth and development of US economy. As for the education concerned, India and US have very strong linkage and collaboration in the field of higher education. United States is one of the most favorite destinations by the Indian students for higher education. More than 2 lakhs Indian students are currently pursuing various courses in the United States. Regional and international cooperation. Both countries are collaborating and coordinating on the number of regional and global issues in both security as well as the development sphere. We are also engaged in areas such as maritime and cybersecurity, humanitarian assistance, and disaster relief effort. The US has expressed support for the India permanent membership on the reformed UN Security Council and for the India early membership in the nuclear supplier group. India and the US remain engaged to promote peace, prosperity, and security in the Indo-Pacific as well as global. So this is all about the relation with the India and the US, especially for the Council for Sustainable Peace and Development, Asia-Africa Development are also urging to the nations leaders to just provide strategic guidelines and support our missions for in tune with the United Nations Sustainable Agenda 2030 in promotion of the global innovation, peace, and sustainable development. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mana. Thank you very much.